Hi everybody, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my front porch. I've already showed this in my home tour, but I just decided I really wanted to come in and originally was going to use my power washer and just really clean the whole patio, but I couldn't get that to work. So I'm going to hose it down and just redecorate, clean everything and just redecorate and then add my mums. So I hope you enjoy and you have a great day.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Separate ways, not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire that we watched it burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers.
As you can see at our house, it is just everybody's in and out. We have little visitors, big visitors, and we just keep going even though everybody's in and out and in my workspace.
Are you filming me? What? Am I on camera? Yes.
I've been around, you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know.
I hope you guys enjoyed this short video and just gave you some ideas of kind of an easy way how to put your patio or your front entry together. It doesn't have to cost a lot. Everything that I used in this video I already had, except for I got 2 new scarves at the the Target dollar spot for $3, and then my mums. But you could so do this same thing with just going and purchasing some mums, or just a pile of, or the haystacks and a couple of mums. It's so easy to just warm up your front patio or front walkway. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope I gave you some inspiration and some ideas for you to decorate your home for the holidays. And I hope you'll take 2 seconds to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and go over and hit your notifications and hit all so that you're aware of all my videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also my blog. Everything is located in the description box and is all down below. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.